Presenting a pre-owned 2016 BMW X5. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include cold weather package, premium package, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.